Sometimes it burns, sometimes it hurts when you say my name, but thinking of hers. I don't wanna know, don't want you to go and leave me behind. No, I don't wanna see if it isn't me who's on your mind. Up my phone, I stared at your face, but it's not your tone. Saying oh hello, who are you to call me late in the night? She says I just gotta say that it's here with me and not where he might.